In this video, we are going to solve the question. The length of a rod is measured repeatedly by two persons. Person A reports the length to be 1002 plus or minus 1 centimeter, while person B reports the length to be 1001 plus or minus 2 centimeter. It is known from a more reliable method that the length is 1000.1 plus or minus 0.5 centimeter. Which one of the following statements is correct? We are given four options. Option A, measurements made by B are less accurate but more precise compared to those by A. Option B, measurements made by A are less accurate but more precise compared to those by B. Option C, measurements made by B are more precise and more accurate compared to those by A. Option D, measurements made by A are more precise and more accurate compared to those by B. It is given that person A reports the length to be 1002 plus or minus 1 centimeter. That is, the length reported by A is between 1002 minus 1 centimeter and 1002 plus 1 centimeter. That is, the length is between 1001 centimeter and 1003 centimeter. Also, it is given that person B reports the length to be 1001 plus or minus 2 centimeter. That is, the length reported by B is between 1001 minus 2 centimeter and 1001 plus 2 centimeter. That is, the length is between 999 centimeter and 1003 centimeter. We know that in a set of measurements, precision is the closeness of the measurements to each other. We have found that the measurements made by A is between 1001 and 1003 centimeter and measurements made by B is between 999 and 1003 centimeter. Analyzing the measurements, we can clearly say that the measurements made by A are more closer to each other. Therefore, we can say that the measurements made by A are more precise. It is also given that the correct length is 1000.1 centimeter. We know that in a set of measurements, accuracy is the closeness of the measurements to a specific value. And we have A's value is 1002 and B's value is 1001. Hence, we can say that person B's value, that is 1001, is closer to 1000.1 than person A's value, which is 1002. Therefore, we can say that the measurements made by B are more accurate. Thus, we have the conclusions: measurements made by A are more precise and measurements made by B are more accurate. Analyzing the options, we can clearly say that the correct answer is option B. That is, measurements made by A are less accurate but more precise compared to those by B.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 PM on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 AM. Monday to Friday, 11 AM free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.